that you haven't been
Sao bây giờ hai chị cực kỳ cống hiến.
Right.
back to an all.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan.
Napakatunog at pinag-uusapan ngayon sa mundo ng boxing ang isang Pinoy na nagmula sa angkan ng mga matatapang na boksingero. Ang tubong Cebu na binansagang sniper dahil sa lakas at tulis ng kanyang mga suntok kung saan bagsak lahat ang mga tinatamaan. Siya ang 20 taong gulang na si Arvin John Pachones, may kartadang 10 panalo, walang talo at 6 dito ay tinapos niya sa knockout. At may tangkad na 5 talampakan at 8 pulgada, kung saan sa kasalukuyan ay nag-training na ito at naninirahan na sa Vietnam upang makakuha ng malaking laban. Bagamat may lakas ang mga suntok nito, hindi ito katulad ng kadalasan sa ating mga Pinoy boxers na lumalaban ng sabayan, matira ang matibay. Kakaiba ang estilo nitong si Pachones. May galawan itong katulad ni Floyd Mayweather
Back to an all.
na napakahirap patamaan at Terence Crawford na palipat-lipat ng stance, southpaw man o orthodox.
That you haven't been
Ngunit malakas ang mga bitaw sa kahit anong anggulo at nakakabagsak ang kanyang counter punches. Napakataas ng kanyang ring IQ na pwedeng mag-adjust kahit anong style pa ang dala ng kalaban. Kaya dahil dito, marami na itong nakuhang titulo at kasalukuyang WBO Oriental Flyweight Champion at sa ngayon siya ay rank number 2 sa WBA kung saan nag-aabang na ito ng isang title fight. Upang lalo tayong maliwanagan kung pwede na bang mag-world champion itong si Pachones, panoorin natin ang kanyang laban kontra sa former IBF world champion na si Rene Marcuarto.
Right.
Sa pagbungad ng unang round, palitan agad ng solidong suntok ang dalawang boxers kung saan matinding pressure ang binigay ni Cuarto sa mas batang si Pachones.
Now currently fighting on the inside. Looping punches from Cuarto. Yes, and he's mixing it up and he's complementing that. We will wait for their decision. Let's see who is able to download more information about Adrian Pachones.
Sa round 2 tuloy ang atake nitong si Cuarto, ngunit tinatamaan siya sa mga body shots na pinakawalan ni Pachones. Mula sa malakidlat na kaliwa ni Pachones, bagsak ang dating world champion, ngunit nakatayo pa ito at lumaban.
8 count for Cuarto.
Right on the money. Time left hand from Pachones.
Yun yung mga suntok na right on the button eh. Yung hindi mo kayang pigilan. Shut down yung legs mo talaga dun eh. However, the veteran in Cuarto,
He's been here before.
able to stand up, shrugged it off, and now trying to counter. However, confidence boost yun for Pachones.
Easy 10-8 round right away. Pachones needs to be careful though.
Almost hit him with that uppercut in the middle. Definitely a round for Pachones.
Good sneaky uppercut.
Tuloy ang aksyon dito sa round 3 kung saan pinuntirya naman ni Cuarto ang bodega ni Pachones, ngunit maganda din ang depensa ng ating bida.
I'm very impressed with the head movement and the defense of Pachones. It's just a matter of being...
For those watching, kung sino tingin niyong nanalo, please comment dito sa ating live stream. Of course, after this bout, after the announcement, we will be having our main event for Kumbati 17.
Pachones' attention. Right, he needs volume. The way to counter yung style, pwedeng cover up ka, tapos papasok ka lang. Kailangan, by the time you're able, Pachones. Good
Overhand right, the Cuarto.
Pachones shrugging it off.
Cuarto is having moments in this fight. It's just that hindi lang siya kasi consistent. And I don't think living up to his nickname, the Sniper, because he's been very Okay, and the whole point with those left hands, so even the jabs actually. We're halfway through the fourth round.
Sa kalagitnaan ng laban mas lalong bumibilis itong si Pasiones, kung saan hindi na alam ni Cuarto depensahan ang mga suntok sa bodega.
Mark Rastamak Viceles versus Albert Francisco of Elorde. Johnny Elorde Boxing Promotion.
Walang 100%. Stop playing. Sa second half, lumalabas yung tunay na strategy tsaka laro.
Because that's a time when the fatigue.
Loser mo na ako.
Slick. Good exchange there.
You're the taller fighter, you need combinations as well.
Malalakas na suntok sa mukha ang naipatama ni Pasiones dito sa round 8, ngunit nagpakita din ng tibay itong former world champion.
Was that left hand again? From Cuarto.
More combinations from Cuarto. Now he's gaining confidence. Final 10 seconds.
Good round for Cuarto. But Sean is trying to sink the round. Good left.
Tumama rin ang mga kombinasyon ni Cuarto dito sa round siyam, ngunit matibay din talaga itong si Pasiones.
Another straight. Looping left hand by Cuarto. Pasiones.
Johan Zambrano calls it a split draw or a split decision in favor of Pasiones. So that is very possible considering how close the fight is, how competitive.
Reckless. Taking their shots properly.
Bantilan rematch ang tinatawag niya, and that is very possible as well. We would like to see this once again, definitely. Big test for 8.
Final 10 seconds of this round.
Umabot na ang laban dito sa final round, binuhos na lahat ng dalawang fighters ang kanilang baterya upang ma-impress ang mga hurado.
Sports Club, Ho Chi Minh City.
Ito, merong posibilidad na mag-draw pa to if it goes the distance, but at this rate, hindi tayo sure kung maaabot doon.
Good exchanges so far from these fighters. They've decided to fight in the pocket.
Good right hand from Cuarto. Short uppercuts from Pasiones.
More nasty uppercuts from both these fighters.
What a fight, Franco.
They just decided, okay, let's go toe-to-toe.
This is world-class boxing. Competitive it is. And ito naman si Joey Bantilan. Rematch ang tinatawag niya, and that is very possible as well. We would like to see this once again, definitely. Big test for AJ Pasiones. There you go. Good combination from Cuarto.
Now he has him against the ropes. Good combination there by Cuarto. Pasiones. 10 seconds left in this bout. Final 10 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. Cuarto stands are up. Pasiones dancing.
Nakuha ni Pasiones ang panalo sa pamamagitan ng unanimous desisyon kontra sa dating world champion. Sa inyo namang palagay, sapat na ba itong pinakita ni Pasiones para maging world champion? Pag-usapan na lang natin yan sa baba at isama nyo na rin ang inyong lugar para malaman natin saan na umabot ang suporta ng mga Pinoy kay AJ Pasiones.